So I think it's fair to say that AI is here to stay and it's no longer a fad. Yes, it may come across scary, but it comes with huge opportunity. Don't worry, I've got you guys covered in today's video because I'm going to be giving you 4 side hustles using AI that can earn you up to $10,000 per month that require minimum skill and minimum effort. All you have to do is choose the one that's your favorite and execute. So guys, before I even get into the 4 lazy methods to make money with AI online, if you really want to accelerate your success from this video, make sure you get access to that cheat sheet once we hit 2,500 likes, and it will be in the pinned comment and in the description below. The first side hustle that you can start right now using AI is creating websites for small business owners and influencers and models. Now you're going to be using AI to do this. So all you've got to do is come to this hosting a website, click try for free. Then once you click let's try for free, it's going to say let AI create your website in minutes. Click start creating, then enter the brand name, choose the website type. So if it's an online store, click online store. If it's a blog, if it's a business showcase, if it's a portfolio. So for example, I would choose portfolio if it was a model, or if I'm working with a business that owns a restaurant or a cafe, I would use this one where it says business showcase. Then where it says description, this is where you want to add some information about the company to create the website using AI. Now you're probably thinking, what if you don't know any businesses that want to have a website, or you don't know if they need a website? What you could do is you could head over to Google and type in restaurants near me. Then you can come to the Google by places here. Then it's going to show you all of the restaurants in your city or town that are on Google My Business. Then once you select on one of the businesses, it's then going to give you information like directions, save, and then it's also going to show you if they've got a website. Now this is saying that they do not have a website. So this is where you could approach this company and say to them, I can build your website for $200, $300. Now, even if you do click on one of these businesses and it does show that they have a website, you can go on their website and see if it's a good website or a bad website. If it's a bad website, you can still offer your services for them. Then the next way of doing this is by looking for modeling agencies near you. So I've gone back to Google and I've typed in modeling agencies in Birmingham. Then you want to go back to the businesses by Google, click more businesses, and you want to go onto all of these different modeling agencies. Then as soon as you go on their website, you want to scroll down, then look at all of the different models that they have on their website, and you want to reach out to all of the models on Instagram and ask them if they want a website that documents their portfolio and their work. So once we've got the client or the work, you want to enter the brand name. So let's say it's called Molly's Coffee. Then I'm going to choose the website type. So I'm going to do it as a business showcase. And then in the description, I'm going to enter the information. So where it says description, this is where you want the company to give you this information. And you just want to ask them for a 5-liner about us. And you literally just want to paste it in here. And then once you've done that, all you need to do is hit create website. And just like that, hosting has created us a website for this brand. And you can see they've got this beautiful coffee banner. Then they've got their our story, the menu, and then they've got some of this footer at get in touch. Now, if we want to edit this website, which of course you're going to want to, you can click full edit mode. Then once you've clicked the full editor mode, it should take you to a screen that looks like this. And in the top left, you're going to see a 1 out of 9. If you click this, it's going to give you each 9 steps that you need to complete. Now, this is a drag and drop website builder, which means it's so easy for anyone to use. So if you literally just click on an element, it will then click edit section, and then it will give you an option to change the background, the layer. You can use anchors if you know how they work. So if you go on background, you can change the opacity. So you can make it darker or lighter. Then you can replace the image, or you can create a color. Then if we go back to the top left, you can see here there's a plus icon. So you can add text, you can add a button. So let's say I want to add some text. I can drag it and drop it onto this section. And then you can see here, I can move it about. Now, some other really cool AI features inside of hosting that other companies charge lots of money for are these AI features like AI heat map, which is the one that I've got active now, AI writer, and logo maker. So you can get AI to create you a logo. So if I click this, so you can add the brand name, add the description again, and click start creating. And just like that, it's created me a logo. Now you can make the logos look even better if you want to by clicking the drop down menu here, and you can change how you want it. Lettermark icon 3D. So you can get some really advanced icons here if you want for your logos. Then once you've done that, you can hit the download button and you've got yourself an AI logo. And if you want to add your AI logo, all you have to do is come back to the website, build it, click the header, click edit header, click logo, and replace the logo. Now, if you want to add some really cool text to the client's website, you can come back to the AI tools, go to AI Writer, choose what you're going to be doing. So for example, mine's a small business, then mine's a coffee shop, and then I want to write some information about my menu and description. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to hit generate text. And just by doing that, you can see hosting has generated loads of different options for me to add to my menu. So this one says, start your day off with our delicious breakfast options, from fluffy pancakes to savory omelets. We have something that satisfies every craving. So you can see here, these are some suggestions that you can add to your menu and description sections. Now make sure you check out hosting using my link in the description, because you can get loads of cool benefits when you start creating websites for your clients. So guys, the second method that you can make money with AI is copywriting. Now there's a website called Tungan AI. I think that's how I'm pronouncing it.
Tugan.
So what you can do is you can change anything to anything using AI. So for example, if I want to change a YouTube video into a newsletter, so that would be me offering email marketing services. So if they want me to create email marketing, I can use this option. If I want to change an article to a newsletter, again, I could use this option. This will be considered email marketing. Now this one's really cool, and this is the one that I get the most benefit from, changing YouTube videos to Twitter threads. This is one of the hottest things right now, and entrepreneurs and businesses are paying a lot of money for this service. So what you could do is you could approach companies on Twitter, Instagram, and offer these services. Now, for example, I'm going to keep this relevant and go back to the coffee shop example that I mentioned in the first method. So let's say I want to explain on a Twitter thread the best ways to make coffee. So I've copied the link to this video by right-clicking it, click copy link address. I've gone back to Tungan AI. I've pasted the YouTube video URL here. Then I've chose how I want the thread to be: simple thread, top 10 secrets thread, or practical advice. Now I want this to be practical advice. Then I've created generate thread. Then it's generated the best ways to brew your coffee backed by science. Now this is completely done with AI, and you can easily... Oh, hold on. Now, this has been done completely with AI. So the actual service delivery, you're doing it 100% with AI. You wouldn't need to rewrite this. The only thing you'd need to do is just proofread it and make sure it makes sense. The only thing that requires manual work from you is requiring the customer and obviously getting paid from the customer. And then in terms of acquiring customers, it's back to what I was saying to you before. You can reach out to small business owners and explain why it's good to have Twitter threads as a way to grow organically on Twitter, or you can sell them on any of the other services that you can do within Tungan AI. Ad creation, shine on LinkedIn. So if they're a LinkedIn company, you might want to do this. If you want to do email marketing, so this one company can make you thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. So the last website that I want to show you that you can get a lot of benefit from as a copyright business owner is called AnyWord. Now this one's really good if you want to be a blog wizard, or you want to improve your content creation, or you want to do Instagram captions, Facebook captions. Again, they offer a free trial. So let's say, for example, I want to do an Instagram caption. I click this, then AnyWord is creating me a document and I just need to fill it out. So here you can see social posts. So here you want to tell them a little bit about what you're trying to do. Then you can talk about if it's a broad audience. Then you can hear it says AnyWord suggestion. So you can choose what suggestions that you want, and then you can hit generate. They do also have some advanced options. I wouldn't worry about those for now. And then once you've filled out these here, you can generate, and then this would create you some descriptions for your social media. Now all of these options here on the left are very valid as a copywriter, because copywriters are most used as landing page, ads, social posts, and prompts. So AnyWord is a great option to add alongside Tungan AI if you want to have a really high quality copyright agency that can get around about $10,000 through the door every single month. So guys, the third method to making money online is by becoming a brand designer. Now when I say brand designer, it's all about imagery, videos. Now my favorite website by far is Canva right now. Canva, they've released something called Magic Studio. So as soon as you've created an account, you should see Magic Studio. If you scroll down, you can create loads of cool things using AI. Now you will need the pro version, but the pro version is free for 30 days, and you're going to be able to create brand identity, like brand logos, brand banners, brand images, brand ads, and loads of other really cool things. So as soon as you come inside of the app section inside of Canva, it's going to show you here AI-powered apps. It's going to show you all the apps that you can use within Canva that are AI-powered that you can sell to clients. So for example, this one says, turn your text into photorealistic AI images, turn elements into something extraordinary, instantly add talking heads videos to your designs. So let's say you want to do customer reviews for your e-commerce brand. So instead of having a still image on your e-commerce brand website, you can turn that into an actual animated video of somebody talking.
Pretty creepy, right? subscribe to the ECOM channel.
Now here's some other cool ideas that you can use on Canva. So let's say your job as a brand designer is to create better engaging images on their website. Let's say they've got a product benefits image on their website, but it looks completely rubbish. You might want to sell them a better version. So this one here is beautiful and this one's here beautiful, and they are all templates. I'm just going to click on it. Then I'm going to click this one here where it says customize this template. Now what you can do is you can literally just copy the benefits that they've already got on their website and add them here. And all you need to do is click magic write and then click more fun. And you can literally use AI to make their current benefits sound more interesting. So you can see here, it used to say increase skin moisture, but let's say I want to make it more formal. Now it's going to say enhance skin hydration. Now, if you want to add a really cool animation to this image to give it some more flavor, you can click the background, click animate and click magic animate, and it will do it all for you. So I've just selected the elegant one, and this is what it will look like once I've applied to it. So you're taking a still image and giving it that animation flavor with just one button using AI. Now, some really cool features that Canva's got with AI is when you edit images. So let's say this is the image that the brand's giving you. You can click it, click edit photo. You can use magic eraser, magic expansion. You can do grab text, magic grab, magic edit. You can add filters. You can add shadows. So let's say I want to add a shadow. We can do a backdrop, and then that way it's then got a little bit more of an elevation to it. And you can sell clients on social media packages on their Instagram. You can sell them website image improvers. You can charge up to, let's say, $500 to $1,000 per client. So guys, the final and last side hustle is going to be drop shipping. Now this is by far my favorite one because the sky is the limit and the earning potential is unlimited. Now I started drop shipping in 2017 and nothing like this existed, and now what would take you 5 hours would only take you 2 hours with AI. Now if you don't already know what drop shipping is, I would recommend that you learn a little bit about it. I do have an 8-hour free course in the description. So the first website that I'd recommend is something called adcreative.ai. Now what this service will do is it'll actually generate creatives for you based on AI. So let's say you want to create lots of offers and lots of creatives. You just need this website here. You want to go to where it says brands and you can create a brand. Now when you create a brand, you can enter your website, your brand name, your brand logo, the color scheme, what colors does your brand use, a little bit of information about your brand. And then if you go to the advanced setup, you can actually connect your Facebook ads, your LinkedIn ads, you can connect your Google ads, your Pinterest ads, and then it will create a brand identity. So basically AI is doing all the work and you're just going to be making money with it. Now, of course, you can use all of the previous methods that I've just taught you, like a brand designer, like using the copywriting skills I've just taught you, to all use them within the dropshipping business. Now, of course, I cannot finish off by saying that Shopify Copilot is coming very soon, and that will be a complete game changer. Once that's been released by Shopify themselves, creating a Shopify store, creating a dropshipping store will just be insanely easy. That is honestly a mind changer and a game changer. Now make sure you use my link in the description to get my free Shopify theme, which is already created, designed to help you start testing products to making money, and you'll also get a 3-month trial. Let me know which one was your favorite in today's list, and don't forget to smash that like button so we hit 2,500 likes so you can get access to that free cheat sheet. With all of that being said, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video.